Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here, as always. Today I've got an old build unboxing of a 1975 Cutlass, and if I recall properly, this kit was a Johan kit, and I think it's molded in red. Now it has been many years since I've seen this kit, so bear with me if I'm wrong on this one, but I'm pretty sure it's molded in red. And yep, there it is. Well, it's upside down. Let me flip it over real easy. Oh, this one's got a snorkel scoop on it. I didn't remember that. Let's see here. Oh, and it's a pretty copper color. Let's see. All right, that's all in the box. Here it is, folks. That there is. That's lovely, huh? Doesn't look too bad from the side, but it's just sitting on top of the hood. It's not molded down or cut in and laid down proper. Oh, it's 75 it says on the license plate. What did I say on the box here? Yeah, 75, okay. I've been thinking about a couple of early 70s ones I have also. Looks like I'm going to have to pull this apart to get the tail lights that fell down inside the little holes here. Yep, that wheel just fell off. Here's the bottom. I apparently had side pipes glued to it. There we go. Boy, oh boy, talk about a blast from the past. I remember the day I purchased this kit back in the late 70s. I say around 77. Let's see if I can pull this apart. I have now. This thing has been in this box, or that box. It's been in there for, well, this is glued to the side, so I don't want to pull it out right now. It's been in the box since the early 80s. Oh yeah, there it is. It says right on there, Johan. I don't know if we can focus on that or not. It says Johan Models Incorporated, Detroit, Michigan, and zip code. So I'll go online and find a picture of the original box and put it right here in this video. This one here's got a little bit of the stainless trim gouged out there. It's a pretty basic kit. I remember putting it together. I enjoyed the heck out of it when I built it stock, and then somewhere along the way I decided, yeah, I might as well mess it up and customize it. And the hood does not open on this one, and then it's got just a molded in engine on the bottom, but there's no actual engine inside. It's more of just a display kit. It says made in USA down here along the bottom of the gas tank. All of this was all molded in. Pretty basic. Slap it together and throw the axles and the wheels on there and you're done basically. Let's see if we can figure out how to get that back through there. Sorry guys, apparently you just breathed on this camera the wrong way and it shuts off. Here's the side view. Not too bad looking. There it is. That's the Johan 75 Cutlass. We'll get that one fixed up one day and cleaned up and put it back on the shelf just the way it is. Bring back some memories. We'll go ahead and put her back in the box and then set it aside to get refurbished later on down the road. Well, thank you all for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.